We'll guide you through how to make emoji pack Telegram. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many users want to create personalized emoji packs to express themselves in a unique way. They may not know where to find the stickers bot or how to publish their creations. Step-by-step guidance helps them easily design, upload, and share custom emojis for chats and communities. To begin this tutorial, click the Telegram app on your home screen to open it, and wait until it fully loads on your device. Once the application is ready, click Search at the top of the screen to begin finding the official stickers feature. Then type stickers in the search bar and wait for the result to appear. Once it appears, click the contact to open the chat. After opening the chat, click Profile at the top of the screen to view more details about the stickers bot. Next, click Open App to launch the stickers management interface inside Telegram. When the app interface opens, click Emojis to switch to the emoji section. Then click Create Emoji Pack to create an emoji pack and start the process. Type the name of the emoji pack in the field provided, making sure the name is clear and easy to remember. After entering the name, click Add Emojis to begin adding your custom images. Next, click Upload Emojis to upload your prepared emoji files from your device. Then click the photo library where you saved your emoji photos so you can access your images. Browse your library and click the emoji photo you want to create as part of your pack. After selecting the image, click Done in the top right corner to confirm your choice. Then click Create at the bottom to start creating the emoji pack officially. You will now be asked to assign an emoji symbol, so click the emoji icon in the field provided, then select the emoji. After selecting emoji, click Save at the bottom to store it in your pack. Once you have finished adding and saving your emojis, click Publish Emoji Pack to make it available. Then click Publish at the bottom to confirm. The emoji pack is automatically published and ready for you to use in your chats.